Hey friends, enjoy this video, and do subscribe. Today we will talk about Xiaomi's latest phone. So Xiaomi has recently launched a new phone, which is Redmi Note 5, and they name it as India's camera beast. Let's talk more about this stunning phone. So Redmi Note 5 launched in two variants, one in 3GB with 32GB ROM and 4GB with 64GB ROM. It is powered by a 2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 625 processor and Adreno 506 GPU, which is amazing. So when you talk about its display, it has amazing bigger display, which is 18:9, full screen FHD+, which takes your visual experience to the next level. And it also comes with 2.5D front glass panel, which gives new levels of tough and durability. So bigger amazing display with 18:9 aspect ratio and same size body. Very much comfortable to hold in hand. And it has a super long battery. The 4000 mAh battery offers an impressive 2-day charge. You can play up to 165 hours of music, 15 hours of video playback, 9 hours of gaming time or up to 17 days of standby time. So when it comes to gaming, you can experience smooth gaming with Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor, that ensures a seamless gaming experience, play a game faster and more efficiently with system-level optimizations. Say cheese with Redmi Note 5. Stunning low-light photography, with 12MP high-quality camera large pixel, ensures breathtaking photos ever in dim light. Photography, you will love it. We can say, the best featured, smooth improved camera phone. So when it comes to front camera, it has a wonderful 5MP camera, and even in low light, you can take awesome photos, and thanks to the new feature, which is LED selfie light, provided in this phone, and it is one of the great features. Redmi Note 5 is powered by MIUI 9, which is faster functioning. Efficient power. Access your favorite features with a single tap, so enjoy fast and fluid smartphone experience, and thanks to 3GB of LPDDR4X RAM. So when we talk about SIM slots, it comes with a hybrid slot, so you can choose to use 2 SIM cards simultaneously or use 1 SIM card and a micro SD card, and it supports 4G Vault technology. Coming to storage, it has great storage capacity to store all your phone, music and videos. And thanks to 32GB of internal memory, which can be expandable up to 128GB using a micro SD card. Overall, a beautiful piece with a killer look. It feels very light in hand, yet powerful at performance. Do not hesitate to buy this. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.